We did get the initial estimate from Service Hub. It go through and it seems to be in line with all the damage. A couple of key things to note. We were able to find an actual LKQ quarter panel, so that's really going to be helpful for repairing this vehicle. Plus, we also got an LKQ headlamp.
All right, so yeah, so you found some alternative parts there, so that's going to, we'll get that car repaired good, but it's still going to save us a bunch of money, save the community some money on repairing the vehicle. Let's go run up through, what do we have there? We got
needed the front door and the rear door on the left side. Also needed the whole quarter panel, and we had some good pictures from the repair shop.
yeah, why don't you go ahead and pull up some pictures?
So here's the car after some tearing down.
All right, yeah, so I see some extensive damage. See right here where they cut out the OEM quarter. Lets us know what the inner structure damage was here to the inner quarter. See, it doesn't look too bad right here on the rocker. The B-pillar doesn't look too bad right there, right?
Yep.
What do you guys think?
That's not too bad.
I agree.
So, but it looks like you've got the lip into the door and stuff too. It looks like the door shell. See how it's bent there?
Yeah, it's just well.
See how it's in at the fender? So yeah, with that, yeah, that's why we got to. Originally, it didn't look that bad, but you can see here now that yeah, that's why we got to replace that door as well. I see that both the doors came in as they were OEM, but it looks like they couldn't find any alternative parts for the door, so we had to go OEM.
And we did some additional search as well.
So you guys couldn't find anything?
No, not for this vehicle.
All right, so we'll get these two doors replaced. Look at so yeah, that thing got damaged pretty good. Let's take a look at a couple other photos.
Here's a close up of that quarter panel. They had to cut it out all the way back into the sail pan.
Well, the cool thing is with the OKQ quarter panel, we're going to get the whole section, and then they can cut it where they need to cut it to make it fit.
And I think we actually have a picture of that LKQ quarter panel. Here it is.
Yeah, so that's a good. Yeah, that quarter's clean. So we can cut it where we need to. Of course, yeah, it comes in white, but no problem at all. We'll be painting it to match up their car with the gray.
Have you got a picture of the original damage just for comparison?
Oh, yes. Haven't shown you? One second.
They got up into that truck pretty good, though. It crumbled up that rear door pretty good, didn't it?
Oh, it did, but first thing I asked the member was if she was okay and she was not injured.
I'm sure that was pretty scary, though.
Must have been.
Yeah. We got the LKQ Corp warranties. We've got the shop warranty there, so this customer shouldn't have any problem at all getting the vehicle repaired. It's going to take a while, though. You guys think that's going to take it's going to take more than a week or two to get that repaired.
It's a long repair, but we're gonna get it right because I know the member wants to keep this car, so we'll be able to fix it for her. We'll save this car.
Very nice.
Any other information from our shop partners there?
No, not at the moment. We went ahead and already approved the estimate, and they're going to start repairs.
All right, but yeah, with damage like that, it's gonna take a while, and they're gonna find some other stuff. So I know we're probably gonna have some supplements come in during the repair process.
Well,
If we find any additional damage, we'll run through it, make sure it's okay, and then we can submit everything to the platform for the members to see, pick out some good photos, get the estimates, all the supporting document.
sounds good.
All right, well, guys, I appreciate it. Thank you.
All right, thanks.